knock my head off then.
Big moves, I'm that dude, but I see.
What you running here, man?
418s on 212Ks.
Man, it is hot out here. Something later again, the hotter again.
Yeah, it seems like it. Fuck. This thing loves the door shut, so it's just like I'm waiting for the Bluetooth to connect. So
You gotta get them demos up quick as you can.
it don't bother me. I'm a fat ass. I listen way anyways.
Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. It's nice, man. Where can they find you at on social media anywhere?
That's one of the websites that my buddy has. He's right down there with the blue van.
Okay, there's him. Audiosellers.com. He
Yeah.
sells shirts and everything, right?
Yeah, he's got shirts. He does shirts, decals, whatever you need. Audio,
Everything.
everything.
Y'all be sure to check him out. Audiosellers.com. I sure appreciate it, man.
Ain't not
Yes,
a problem,
sir.
man.
I'll let you get that door back open, man.
Yeah, everything.
Yes, sir. Look at Okay. Yeah. That's it, man.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
wrong.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Right.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.